Sairam, dear children. Today I am teaching sentence class 2 English language part 3 chapter 18. So in part 2 I have explained to you about parts of a speech, that is subject and predicate with the example. Okay. So in this part let us have the explanation part, that is kinds of sentences. We have different kinds of sentences. So to know that, let us read out the following sentences. Are you ready? Yes. So first sentence you have to repeat, children. What are the boys doing? Second sentence is, how old are you? Third sentence, which is your car? So now each of these sentences is a question. Such sentences are called interrogative sentences also. Okay, so we do not put a full stop at the end of a question. Instead, we put a question mark. Okay, as soon as we put question mark, that is interrogative sentences. Okay, understood? So first we were just calling that is sentences because we don't know that is interrogative sentences. If we put a question mark at the end of a sentences, that is interrogative sentences. Okay, so now look at these pictures and read the sentences. Okay, let's read, children. A boy is eating a banana. So this is statement. Okay, her mother is a teacher. Next, the lion has caught the deer. So each of these sentences say or state something. They make statements. So we put a full stop at the end of statement. Okay, so this is statements. So statements are also called as assertive sentences. So first we did it with questions, that is interrogative sentences, and second statements, that is also called as assertive sentences. Understood, children? So next we'll move on to commands. So commands, what is that commands? So look at this following pictures and read the sentences carefully. Open the door. Walk slowly. Do not make a noise. So these sentences give commands. They order somebody to do something. They are also called commands. We put a full stop at the end of a command. Okay. So commands are also called imperative sentences. Understood, children? So this is imperative sentences. So summary, what we had: kinds of sentences, that is interrogative sentences. Statements is also called as assertive sentences. Commands is also called as imperative sentences with examples. Okay, I showed you to read and I also showed some examples to you. Okay, children. So now let's move on to questions part. You have to write S for statements and Q for questions and C for commands. I'll give you some sentences here. So that is, first one is, what is your name? Second one, draw an apple. Third one, where is your pen? Fourth one, birds have wings. Fifth one, do you go to school? So you have to write S for statements, Q for questions, C for commands here. Okay, children, very easy one you have to write down. Okay, write down these questions and answer it and keep practicing, children. Okay, thank you.